So I turned the car on this morning and this is the first thing I was greeted with. Front right malfunction, console workshop. It's funny that because the car's due for an MOT this Friday and now I've got this fault on there. And these days if you have any warning lights on your dashboard, it's an automatic failure. So, right, so let's go ahead and do this scan. Click auto scan. Auto identify the car. So it knows the car is diesel, just click OK. So we want to go ahead and look at supplement restraint. Yep. I'm doing this in the middle of a car park, by the way, if you guys have a look at that. I'm literally in the middle of KFC here. So anyway, let's read what the car is saying. So as you guys can see, we've got code B005013. The belt buckle driver has a malfunction. I want to see the live data because what I want to do is I want to test a few things to do with that issue, right? So belt buckles. Right, so driver belt buckle restraint system switch signal faulty. Resistance value of electric circuit of component driver belt buckle resistance 677.99 ohms. Belt not inserted. Okay, so right now the belt's not inserted. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. All I'm doing right now is I'm doing this, and that's causing that to change. The resistance is not changing much though. Oh, here we go. You see the resistance moving. So I'm pretty sure, judging by what my scanner is saying, this is definitely going to be the issue. So I'm going to order one of these